In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Cloudflare DNS IP address. If you've moved your website to a new server, switched hosting providers, or simply need to point a subdomain to a different machine, updating the IP in Cloudflare is the key step that makes the internet send traffic to the right place. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of the domains you manage. Click on the specific domain you want to update. This takes you to that domain's overview page where all the settings for the site live. Next, head to the DNS section. This is where all of your DNS records are stored, such as A records for IPv4 addresses, perp.a records for IPv6 addresses, and surnames that point one name to another. You'll see your records presented in a list. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the search bar to filter by name, like the root @ or www, or by type, such as A or AAAA. Now look for the exact record you want to change. For example, if you're moving the main site, that's usually the A record for the root domain or for www. Click Edit on that specific record. In the Edit view, you'll find a field that holds the current IP address. Replace it with the new IP you've been given. Make sure you paste the full address without extra spaces, and double check that you're using the correct format, numbers separated by dots for IPv4, or the longer colon separated format for IPv6. While you're in this edit window, you may see options like TTL and a toggle that controls Cloudflare's proxy. If you're not sure what to choose, it's generally fine to leave those as they are. TTL controls how long other servers cache your record, and the proxy toggle controls whether Cloudflare accelerates and protects the traffic. Your main goal here is simply updating the IP. After confirming the new IP looks correct, save the change. Back on the records list, you should now see the updated address. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take a little time to propagate across the internet. Many changes are visible within minutes, but it can take longer depending on caching. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected your domain, went to DNS, viewed your records, edited the specific one you needed, and updated the IP. Take a moment to verify you changed the right record, especially if you manage multiple subdomains. With that, your traffic will begin routing to the new server as the change propagates.